It's interesting.
We in Brooklyn, right?
Okay. More money, more property, I could beat the system. Blessings pouring on me like a sprinkler system. I got hoes, got flows, and I squeeze the pistol. If you're a new jack in my city, I'll let Keisha hit you. Woo! Isolating myself from all of the fuckery, cause I don't hide. I look for the smoke be ducking me. Woo! Had to fix my income, I ain't put the toes down. Still move that white like a snowplow. Woo! I done mastered the rules of engagement. It's protocols and principles, how you behave. Friends shouldn't cross friends over wages. The blood of my man head stain part of the pavement. Woo! When you least expect it, they Pearl Harbor the main ship. Live what you write down, more harder the pain hit. Calisthenics, lift weight till I'm fully brolic. Jumping jacks with the 40 in my hoodie pocket. Woo! How you hear this shit on the gram and you scroll past it? How you got a man wide open and throw past it? I've been stopped tapping the bottle like broke cracking. Shorty see these on my feet, she like those classics. I fuck Karma and the bando on an old mattress. I'ma take this beat to the coroner. This is closed casket. Never quit. I ain't leave the park with my basketball next game if I ain't get picked. Now I got better, got stronger, made more moves. I hit the pet store, bought a parakeet and some dog food. Tell me who out here scouting the talent. I ain't go up north, but I crushed every house on the island. I killed every cipher in the yard, Billy the best. My producer was a blood that clap and beat on his chest. I ain't blood, I ain't crip, I don't peace niggas. I keep a snub in the fifth, extra piece, nigga. Drake put us in position, now we feed niggas. Some niggas shoot us, some niggas leave niggas. They glorify suckers with money, I can't get with you. The way I look at boy a little different. Forrest Whitaker. Now, try to budget what we had. Fine service was trash. Try GPS is bad. You get a call from Steve like Billionz, just checking on you. And if your money ain't right, we still got a section for you. It's a big monster. I get love all over the map. I get it and move it the same way. I ain't throwing the pack. I'm inviting all you rappers to my private session where we plug the Pro Tools up with the lie detector. The Pro Tools with the lie detector,
Oh my God. Billionz.
Nah, they don't want no problems.
Shit.
They don't want no problems.
Hey, yo, that's definitely, I already know that's another nomination, Lunchbox.
They don't want no problems.
That's another nomination for the Bankai Breadtalk album.
Definitely a nomination.
That's a freestyle of the year nomination right
That's
there.
definitely a nomination for one of the best freestyles.
Nah, that's goddamn
Hey,
right.
yo, we looking at a lot of you rap niggas different. Always Whitaker.
Fucking the Pro Tools with the lie detector.
Oh, my man.
Upper echelon bar, set the bar high. Hold on, cut that off.
Acapella.
I just wanted to say that because he said that. I said upper echelon bar, set the bar high. It's work no part-time. I'm nice, nigga, aren't I? I'm from the hood where your pops and your aunt high. Viagra is the only time you had a hard time. Feeling myself, but I ain't jerking a week. Bring the ace bandage and crutches, how we hurting the beat. Lame rappers, we giving them hearses for cheap. A bunch of gay gangsters, fatigues is purple and pink. Put you on the plate, it's no leftovers. It's time to smell that bloody hole in your chest odor. Mind of a Martian, heart of a Spartan. 9 when I'm sparking to leave a piece of brain on your arm. Obnoxious, so then it's irregular rhyme patterns. I'm pissing on them with a weak liquor and wine splatter. First I put the pain in the music and turn the mic on. First nigga to commit a murder using an iPhone.
Alright, stop.
Let's say it right.
The pause says in the